Welcome to Inside Factory Walls. Today, we embark on an incredible journey, transforming raw, towering bamboo into versatile, everyday paper bags. Bamboo is a highly renewable resource, growing incredibly fast. It provides the perfect, sustainable foundation for our modern paper manufacturing industry.
Watch
The
out for the
process
long
begins
stalks
deep
coming
in the lush
down.
green forests, where skilled workers carefully harvest mature bamboo stalks to ensure maximum fiber strength. Heavy transport trucks are quickly loaded with freshly cut stalks, beginning their long journey toward our massive industrial processing facility. Arriving at the sprawling factory complex, the raw bamboo is weighed and meticulously inspected before entering the initial preparation phase. Massive industrial cranes effortlessly lift heavy bundles of green bamboo, transferring them from transport vehicles directly onto the primary conveyor belts. The stalks travel along sturdy conveyor systems, entering a high-pressure washing station to remove dirt, debris, and natural forest residue. Powerful jets of water thoroughly cleanse every single stalk, ensuring that only the purest raw materials proceed to the crucial chipping stage. Once completely washed and dried, the clean stalks are fed into heavy-duty industrial powder, preparing them for the intense grinding process. Razor-sharp steel blades rapidly chop them, sturdy stalks into smaller, manageable sections, breaking down the tough powder protected layers. These smaller sections are immediately flopped into the heavy bread, an aggressive machine designed to crush the rigid structural strength items. The powerful grinding mechanism fuses the solid wood into thousands of uniform bamboo chips, optimizing the surface area for chemical processing. Massive mounted, uniform bamboo chips, representing the first major physical transformation in our extensive paper manufacturing journey. Continuous conveyor belts transport these freshly processed chips, depositing them into towering storage silos while they await the cooling process. Inside these colossal storage units, the raw chips cascade downward like heavy rain, creating a steady reserve for continuous factory operations. Automated feeding systems precisely measure and extract these chips, directing them toward the towering chemical digester for the next crucial phase. These enormous cylindrical digesters act like giant pressure cookers, designed to endure extreme heat and highly corrosive chemical processing environments. Thousands of pounds of raw bamboo chips form into the open digester vessels, ready to be submerged in a powerful chemical mixture. A specialized chemical solution, commonly known as white is rapidly pumped into the tank to effectively dissolve the amount of aluminum binding. The heavy steel which securely seals the digester shell, trapping the intense heat and pressure required for the complex chemical breakdown. Inside the vessel, extreme temperatures and harsh chemicals work together seamlessly, breaking down the rigid bamboo structure into soft fibers. Precision industrial gauges constantly monitor the internal environment, ensuring the pressure and temperature remain at optimal levels for perfect cellulose extraction. After several hours of intense cooling, the massive pressure is carefully released, sending thick clouds of hot steam into the atmosphere. The solid chips have now been completely transformed into a thick, brown, mushy substance, officially known as raw unbleached pulp. This raw unbleached pulp is immediately pumped into enormous washing baths, where residual cooking chemicals and dissolved lignin are completely flushed away. Giant mechanical agitators violently stir the thick mixture, ensuring every single cellulose fiber is thoroughly cleaned and separated from chemical waste. The dark, contaminated wastewater is efficiently drained away for recycling, leaving behind a significantly cleaner, more refined batch of bamboo. The water pulp now flows through a complex series of incredibly fine mechanical screws, designed to catch any remaining drops of impurities, cook bamboo fragments, and coordinately unfortunately rejected by the vibrators, guaranteeing the absolute purity of the final paper. We now have high-quality brown craft pulp, which is incredibly strong but requires further processing to achieve a lighter color. Clean brown pulp is pumped into towering bleaching tanks, where environmentally friendly bleaching agents are introduced to brighten the raw fibers. Through multiple careful stages of chemical treatment, the dark brown color is systematically stripped away, revealing a beautiful, bright yellowish tone. Watch as the thick mixture magically transforms before our eyes, shifting from a dark, muddy brown into a clean, bright beige color. A final, rigorous washing cycle removes any lingering bleaching chemicals, leaving behind pristine cellulose fibers completely safe for everyday consumer stocks. Purified pulp flows like a thick, creamy river into massive paper cans, ready for the next critical manufacturing phase. Before entering the paper machine, the thick pulp is heavily diluted with clean water, creating a fluid mixture containing mostly liquid. This watery suspension is carefully pumped into the head box, a highly engineered device that distributes the mixture evenly across the entire machine. The head box is precisely created to liquid pulp onto the back by a mesh conveyor. the actual paper formation process instantly not as the mixture travels along the course mesh. Gravity and powerful vacuum quickly pull the wand down, leaving intertwined fibers behind. A fragile, continuous web of wet paper begins to form on the surface. As the microscopic bamboo fibers bond tightly together naturally, the delicate, wet paper web carefully leaves the wire mesh and directly enters the heavy press section of the massive machine. Enormous steel and rubber rollers apply tremendous physical pressure, aggressively squeezing out excess moisture and compressing the fibers into dense sheets. Gallons of water cascade off the heavy rollers as the paper becomes significantly stronger, thinner, and much more capable of supporting itself. Although much drier now, the continuous sheet still contains moisture and must pass through an extensive series of steam drying cylinders. Dozens of massive, rotating iron systems determined by pressurized stretch endlessly down the length of the enormous factory floor. The long paper web weaves intricately over and under these scorching hot rollers, rapidly evaporating the very last traces of trapped moisture. Big clouds of steam constantly rise from the fast moving sheet, captured by massive overhead ventilation hoods to maintain perfect factory humidity as the paper travels through the intense drying section. Its rough surface becomes remarkably smooth, strong, and perfectly uniform in thickness to achieve the ultimate finish. The dry paper passes through heavy caliper stacks, where polished steel rollers iron out any microscopic imperfections. The fully formed, high-quality bamboo craft paper that races along the production line with incredible completely flawless and dried out at the very end of the massive machine. The continuous sheet is tightly wound onto a gigantic, heavy-duty steel central core. The massive paper roll grows exponentially larger by the second, rapidly accumulating thousands of meters of freshly manufactured bamboo craft paper. Once it reaches the maximum required diameter, an automated crane carefully lifts the incredibly heavy master roll weight from the winding machine. These gigantic master rolls, weighing several tons each, are safely transported to the precision slitter machine for custom sizing and cutting. Extremely sharp circular blades cleanly slice the exceptionally wide master roll into several narrow, perfectly sized rolls, customized for bag production. The newly cut, narrow rolls are tightly wrapped in protective plastic film, ensuring they remain completely pristine during their upcoming transport. Nimble industrial forklifts efficiently load these heavy, packaged rolls onto waiting transport trucks, ready to be dispatched to the manufacturing facility. The delivery trucks finally arrive at the specialized paper bag manufacturing plant, where the second major phase of our incredible journey begins. Inside this modern, brightly lit facility, the pristine bamboo paper rolls are carefully unloaded and staged near the automated production lines. A fresh roll of high-quality bamboo paper is precisely mounted onto the feeding mechanism of a fully automated bag-making machine. The machine pulls the continuous sheet of paper forward with incredible precision, maintaining perfect tension to prevent any unwanted tears or wrinkles. Custom designs are required. Paper rapidly passes through a high-speed printing section, where vibrant eco-friendly inks are applied. The flat sheet then enters a complex folding mechanism, which carefully creases the edges to form the expanding side gussets perfectly. Precision nozzles apply a continuous line of strong, eco-friendly adhesive along the outer edge, preparing the paper for the final seal. The machine elegantly folds the paper completely over, pressing the glued edges together to form a very long, continuous paper tube. A heavy-duty rotary blade strikes with lightning speed, cleanly cutting the rapidly moving paper tube into individual, perfectly measured bag lengths. Open-ended tubes are swiftly transported along the conveyor belt directly to the intricate bottom folding section of the package. Machine, agile mechanical fingers rapidly hold the bottom flaps of each tube, creating a secure, flat base capable of holding heavy items. Another set of precise nozzles injects industrial strength glue into the folded bottom flaps, ensuring the bag will never break under pressure. Heavy steel rollers firmly press the glued bottom flaps completely flat, instantly sealing the adhesive and finalizing the basic paper bag structure. Perfectly formed paper bags, currently lacking handles, rapidly shoot out of the main folding machine and perfectly stack themselves simultaneously. A completely separate automated system is busy manufacturing sturdy handles, tightly twisting narrow strips of paper into strong lifting cords. The twisted paper cords are carefully cut to size and firmly glued between the small, rectangular paper patches for added structural support. These completed handle assemblies travel swiftly down a dedicated conveyor track, perfectly synchronized to meet the waiting paper bag just in time. Robotic arms swiftly grab the handle patches and press them firmly against the inner top edge of each passing paper bag. A quick burst of intense heat and pressure instantly cures the strong adhesive permanently securing the comfortable twisted handles to the bag. The fully completed bamboo paper bags, now equipped with sturdy handles, move gracefully down the final section of the long production line. Advanced optical sensors and high-speed cameras meticulously scan every single bag, instantly checking for printing errors, misaligned folds, or weak seals. If any tiny defect is detected, a swift mechanical arm immediately kicks the imperfect bag off the main line for dedicated recycling. The flawless PREMIU and paper bags are automatically moved into exact batches of 50, ready for the final packaging and global distribution phase. The gentle mechanical press carefully flattens the lift batches, expelling any trapped air to ensure they fit perfectly inside the shipping boxes. Robotic packaging arms efficiently lift the compressed batches and neatly arrange them inside sturdy cardboard shipping boxes, maximizing the available internal space. The fully loaded cardboard boxes pass through an automated taping machine, which securely seals the top flaps for safe, long-distance transportation. High-speed printers generate detailed shipping labels, which are instantly applied to the moving boxes, providing crucial tracking and product identification information. The sealed and labeled boxes travel smoothly up the towering spiral conveyor system, heading directly toward the massive, highly organized warehouse storage. A heavy-duty robotic pallet expertly stacks the incoming boxes onto standard wooden pallets, creating perfectly balanced and stable loads for shipping. An automated wrapping machine tightly encases the entire loaded pallet in durable stretch film, ensuring the boxes remain completely secure during transit. Skilled forklift operators transport the fully secured pallets into towering warehouse racks, where they temporarily wait for final dispatch to global customers. At the busy loading docks, massive delivery trucks are systematically filled with these pallets, preparing to distribute the bags across the country. The heavy transport trucks finally depart the industrial facility, carrying thousands of sustainable bamboo paper bags to retail stores and local businesses. In a bustling retail store, a happy customer receives their purchased goods safely packed inside one of our beautiful, durable
Here are your
bamboo
purchases,
bags.
packed safely inside.
Rigid green plant to
Thank
a
you for
versatile,
visiting our store
eco-friendly
today.
carrying
It
solution.
is beautiful.
The entire
Thank you very
manufacturing
much.
journey is a modern industrial marvel. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Please subscribe to Inside Factory Walls for more fascinating industrial manufacturing processes. Which part of the process impressed you the most? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.